Welcome back to the part 2 of our Meissen historical walking tour. We're still on top of the hill, exploring the Gothic Cathedral Evangelical Church in Meissen.
Okay, let's check this out. Hala, para siyang sinuunang panahon talaga, oh. Mga sandstone engraved with something.
Meissen Cathedral, or the Church of St. John and St. Donatus, is a Gothic church and forms a critical centerpiece of the iconic Meissen skyline.
Different images. Parang si Mama Mary to. And then, baka mga saint to. Tapos may sulat siya dito na hindi ko maintindihan.
Let's go.
Ang dami nandito lang sa gilid ng church. Let's go! Niche anpassen, Miri. Pero ako, itatry ko hawakan. Oh, sandstone talaga. So that's the entrance to the dome or Cathedral Church. So let's check it out. Parang may garden lang sa loob. Ayun yung mga sandstone sa labas. Sabi ko niya, ayan, belongs to the church. How many years ago pa kaya?
The church was established by Emperor Otto I in 968. It replaced an older Romanesque church. Now, the present-day Hall Church was built between 1260 and 1410.
Oh, this is actually open. You can also visit the church, but only maximum of 2 persons. Replica of the Castle Dome. Castle Dome. Cathedral Dome. Hello! May nagtatago. Huh? Bobis daw. Uy, ito yung mismo dasalan nila. Oh baby, don't play there. Pero maliit lang siya. Hindi pa to yung mismo siguro. Kasi may entrance fee of 5 euro going inside the dome.
Its interior features Gothic sculptures of founder Emperor Otto and his wife Adeline of Italy, as well as paintings from the studio of Lucas Cranach the Elder. Visitors and locals come here for a few quiet moments, a prayer or a service in the cathedral or in the room of silence, to enjoy the concerts of their cathedral music, to visit Meissen's skyscrapers at lofty heights, and to meet Cranach Dürer, the Naumburg master and over 1,000 years of church, art, and building history. In the summer months, they have concerts almost every day. With often over 300 musical events a month, they are definitely the largest concert organizer in town. After our castle and cathedral visit, we decided to walk down the hill to enjoy more the old city of Meissen. The Old Town, or Altstadt, is located in the city center of Meissen. Its natural borders are the district in the southeast, the Elbe in the northeast, and the slope into the Meisental in the northwest. Essentially, the Old Town was built in the Triebisch estuary. The terrain rises gradually next to the rivers, then steeply to the heights of the Bergberg in the north and the Alfraberges and Judenberg in the west of the Old Town. The market square is 110 meters above sea level. Today, the Old Town extends around the market. The boundary is defined as the area that was within the city wall until the 19th century.
Actually, grapes. Grape plant. Ang ganda nito kapag September, August. Actually, Meissen is well known for their porcelains. Mga kagaya niyan. Mga original porcelains. Uy, shucks. Makalinis. Yummy! Ang ganda ng vibe dito. Nandito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa foot of the mountain. Foot of the brook. Uy, ang gaganda mo porcelain. Ang cute! Kitty cat. That's my frog dito, froglets.
The outer border of the Old Town continues along Nosenestrasse, the Ravine, the Castle Bridge, the northwest wall of the Albrechtsburg Castle, to the roundabout and to the Fischergasse.
Ganda ng mga tulips, oh, grabe. Ayan, this is the shortcut going to the Burg Dorm. Albrechtsburg Dom. Germany. German flag. Ayan, nandito na kami sa paanan ng bundok. Ang barrel, oh. Tingnan natin kung gaano kalaki. Sobrang laki niya, kasing tangkad ko yung barrel. Flood level. And here is 1980s and pinakamataas na level is 1799. Grabe. Recently is 2013. So we're back here near the Elbe. That's the castle right there in my background. So I hope you liked this video. If you love videos like this and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and